Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Zeplin. Zeplin is a design delivery platform that facilitates collaboration between designers and developers. It helps bridge the gap by providing precise design documentation and project organization tools. Zeplin is used to streamline workflows, improve communications, and ensure that design specifications are accurately implemented in development. So, let's see how to use Zeplin. First, you have to log into your Zeplin account. If you don't have an account already, you just need to sign up for a new account. You can log in with your Figma account or log in with your Google account. Also, you can log in with your email and password. Then click on login and you will be logged into your account. And if you don't have any account, then click on the sign up button. From here, you can sign up with the same credentials. You can just add your email and password and click on this agree and terms. Then Zeplin will sign you in to your dashboard. You just need to fulfill the on-screen instruction by Zeplin to sign in your account. So follow the steps that Zeplin provides you properly and then create an account that you expect. After entering to your dashboard, here, if you are new, you can see a blank dashboard here. Then here the Zeppelin will provide you a short guide video. Also, you can experience guidelines from their style guidance in this project section, and beside this style guidance, from here you can get a guidance from Zeppelin themselves. Then from this project section, create a new design. Then they will offer three types of design you can create. One is web, and another is iOS application, and another is Android application. So if you want to create an app for Android users, then click on this, and here is the instruction for you that download Zeppelin. You just need to download Zeppelin app first on your desktop. Then select all artboard or layer in your Adobe Photoshop file. Then run the extension from extension menu. Here you can see Windows and here the extension button, and click on Zeppelin. Then select the named button or options, export selected artboards in Zeppelin panel. Here is a short video of the whole process, how you can export the design you have created in your Adobe Photoshop to Zeppelin. Also, you can connect some integrations that you need like Slack, Microsoft Teams, Trello, or other useful things that you need. You can just integrate with them. Then go back, and here you will see your project will save here. And also you can create another project by click on create project. Also you can search for your project by the search bar. Just you need to search for your workspace name that you have set it, like sample. If you set any project name sample, then this will appear here. Also you can set the dark mode and light mode. Then here is the comment section, like all the comments you get from your developers or your partner designers, or other tags. From here you can find all the updates from your teams, or you can find all the conversation between your teams and developers and designers. Also you can get any update on your working project, or you can publish an update about your project that you are working on. By clicking on your profile icon at the top right corner, you can select your profile. Also you can log out from here. Also you can select the notification settings from here. You can configure it anytime you want. Then from here, the guidance, you can create a style guides. This is a free platform you can use for this. Template can be used in website or any type of apps for iOS user or Android user. From here you can use the color pattern. You can change the color or use a new color, or you just need to select a layer and click this color button plus next to the color. From here at the right side of your screen you can explore extensions. You can get help from the extensions that are available in Zeplin that can be used for various purposes. Here is some extensions that are provided by Zeplin and also the other users or creators that are offering you some useful extensions. Also, you can select the text style catalog, select a layer and click T plus next to the text style to select any type of text you want. Then spacing and layout, you can select lines and characters. Also you can select this, just click on add token. Then the components, from here you can add any useful components that you need. Components are reusable elements used throughout design's crucial place of your design system. Store, organize and showcase style guide components here. Just like you can showcase your style guide in this component section. Now at the right bottom side you can find an icon. Here you can find some solutions that you are facing any problem, or you, if you have any question, then you can get any answer from this assistance provided by Zeplin. Here you can invite any friends or members. You can copy project web link, then copy project app URI. You can make a copy of this project. Transfer ownership, you can transfer ownership to other members. Also you can delete this project by delete project option. From here you can share your project, and also from this flows section you can test your project. From here the path or gateway of your design or the project, you can get a preview, a kind of preview you can say. Then you can add an description from here. Also you can follow this project updates to get the project updates notification in your notification box or inbox, whatever you say. That's all about Zeplin. If you are a beginner and want to know every feature for this Zeplin platform, this video is for you. So hope you found this video helpful. Give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Click on the bell icon and we will get back to you soon with another tutorial video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.